Hello to all. Good evening. Hope you will be fine there. Here is look of Shalimar Express refurbished from Carriage Workshop Mughalpura. Some important details regarding Rake of Shalimar Express. So let's get started. Rake of Shalimar Express is almost ready in Carriage Workshop Mughalpura. Her rake consists of 19 coaches, in which 11 coaches of economy class, 2 coaches of air conditioner standard, 1 coach of power van, 1 coach of dining car, 1 luggage van, and 1 brake van. Rake is almost 1 hooked on outgoing line of Carriage Workshop Mughalpura at 16 hours of the 27th of April 2023. And it is highly expected that it will turn out at 19 hours of the 27th of April 2023 from Carriage Workshop Mughalpura. Most of coaches are are in both Rake of Shalimar Express. Shalimar Express will be operational between Karachi Cant and Lahore Junction via Multan Shewa Rory and Hyderabad. 27 up and 28 down will depart from Karachi Cant and Lahore Junction at 6:00 in the morning on daily basis under Pakistan Railway sector. Here is review of both dining car coaches of Shalimar Express. Hopefully you have enjoyed this video.